Football season has returned.
Welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
3/8 high-speed slamvic end mill and a 3/8 carbide finisher and a 1/2-inch chamfer. And the 3/8 high-speed end mill is gonna go to town. You gotta see this. Watch this sucker. It's got about a 1/2-inch. It's 0.505 width and 1 inch deep. And the tool is 3/8, so you can imagine the milling it's going to do. It's crazy up in there. A lot of action going on around here. You just take a good listen.
Sorry, there was a loud noise.
I was just sitting here minding my own business, working hard as usual. And my boss comes up to me and hands me this nice little pin. Isn't that cool? It's a Northfield placard. I love my job. It's pretty cool to be a machinist. You get cool pins and you get to make cool videos. I'm telling you, you gotta do it for a career. My man Tony.
Way better. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but it doesn't eat your jaw at all. Yeah. I've been doing that a lot of parts. Yeah, it's a good mold, dude. I learned that from Devin, dude. He puts everything. Put a lot of devices in there. But a lot of times if you have them parallel, they're speeding up. That's one thing I know. Is a parallel. Yeah. You gotta like have like missing teeth over there. That's why I put all that. I have one. Exactly. Yeah, no, that's all that is. I mean, yeah, it'll grab it. They were good though for something too. You ever seen this part run? I don't know. It's freaking. Actually, it does something like this. Watch it. Yeah. Good.
And so it begins. Woo! So that was the first one. Now there's 3 left, so you can kind of zoom through these as the tool does. It is quite mesmerizing just to sit and watch. You really have to be careful on how you set these jobs up, because at high speed, end mill can plunge into your aluminum jaws, your soft jaws, and gum up in there, and it breaks off the tool because it starts to build up. And I've done it too many times. It sucks. So high speed can be fast and speedy and all that good stuff, but if you have to make a tool path with another tool, I feel like that defeats the purpose. Just saying. This one you don't have to do that. I measured the distance, which is 1 inch deep for the top of the part down. That's how deep the tool is going. So you leave a mark on your part, draw a little picture on there if you have to, and set your part in there in your vise, and put some parallels to match the distance, the difference of the distance, and bam, there's your Z in Z formation. At first you were the sweetest kid. Would you even know? When we took the level 10, was it just a 12? Good lord, that's a lot of cooling. That beat kind of sounded like that song, The Sweetest Kill, by the Broken Social Club. Maybe a little bit, sounds like it, right? There's a 1/2 inch chamfer. This sucker gets loud like a horror movie. Listen. It makes the machine vibrate. It seriously does.